नामलिंगानुशासनं नाम अमरकोशः यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धोरगाधस्यानघा गुणाः सेकतामक्षयो धीरा सश्रिये चामृताय च समाहृत्यान्यतन्त्राणि संक्षिप्तैः प्रतिसंस्कृतैः सम्पूर्णमुच्यते वर्गैर्नामलिंगानुशासनम्। अथ नाट्यवर्गः। अखिल भगिनी भवती अद्य वदति वा? Phone number is not coming. Akhila Bhagini, can you please unmute yourself? Akhila Bhagini. अस्तु कल्याणी, can you unmute yourself? From where we have to teach Kalyani? 450, I think.
Syachinta 18466 sir.
466. Syachinta smritiradhyanam.
Syachinta smritiradhyanam. Syachinta smritiradhyanam.
उत्कंठोत्कलिके समे.
उत्कंठोत्कलिके समे. उत्कंठोत्कलिके समे.
उत्साहोऽध्यवसाय स्यात्.
उत्साहोऽध्यवसाय स्यात्. उत्साहोऽध्यवसाय स्यात्.
सवीर्यमतिशक्तिभाक्.
सवीर्यमतिशक्तिभाक्. सवीर्यमतिशक्तिभाक्.
कपटोस्त्रीव्याजदम्भ.
कपटोस्त्रीव्याजदम्भ. कपटोस्त्रीव्याजदम्भ.
उपधयश्छद्मकैतवे.
उपधयश्छद्मकैतवे. उपधयश्छद्मकैतवे.
कुसृतिर्निकृतिशाठ्यम्.
कुसृतिर्निकृतिशाठ्यम्. कुसृतिर्निकृतिशाठ्यम्.
प्रमादोनवधानता.
प्रमादोनवधानता. प्रमादोनवधानता.
कौतूहलं कौतुकञ्च.
कौतूहलं कौतुकञ्च. कौतूहलं कौतुकञ्च.
कुतुकञ्च कुतूहलं.
कुतुकञ्च कुतूहलं. कुतुकञ्च कुतूहलम्
स्त्रीणां विलासबिब्बोक
स्त्रीणां विलासबिब्बोक स्त्रीणां विलासबिब्बोक
विभ्रमाललितं तथा
विभ्रमाललितं तथा विभ्रमाललितं तथा
हेलालीलेत्यमीहावाः
हेलालीलेत्यमीहावाः हेलालीलेत्यमीहावाः
क्रियाशृङ्गारभावजाः
क्रियाशृङ्गारभावजाः क्रियाशृङ्गारभावजाः
द्रवकेलिपरीहासाः
द्रवकेलिपरीहासाः द्रवकेलिपरीहासाः
क्रीडालीला च नर्म च
क्रीडालीला च नर्म च क्रीडालीला च नर्म च
व्याजोपदेशो लक्ष्यं च
व्याजोपदेशो लक्ष्यं च व्याजोपदेशो लक्ष्यं च
क्रीडाखेला च कूर्दनम्
क्रीडाखेला च कूर्दनं क्रीडाखेला च कूर्दनं
घर्मो निदाघस्वेदः स्यात्
घर्मो निदाघस्वेदः स्यात् घर्मो निदाघस्वेदः स्यात्
प्रलयो नष्टचेष्टता
प्रलयो नष्टचेष्टता प्रलयो नष्टचेष्टता
Kshamyatam. There is this right side, there is one kandaha which is coming here. So somebody said that it is obstructing the numbers. That is why I was trying to remove that kandaha. That is why I was playing with the mouse to see if we can hide that. Somehow I am not unable to do it. Don't think that I am shifting the screen here and there. But that was an effort to see if I can shift that. Avahithakaraguptihi
अवहित्थाकारगुप्तिः अवहित्थाकारगुप्तिः
समौ संवेगसम्भ्रमौ
समौ संवेगसम्भ्रमौ समौ संवेगसम्भ्रमौ
स्यादाच्छुरितकंहासः
स्यादाच्छुरितकंहासः स्यादाच्छुरितकंहासः स्यादाच्छुरितकंहासः
तोत्प्रासः समनाक्स्मितम्
सोत्प्रासः समनाक्स्मितम् सोत्प्रासः समनाक्स्मितम्
मध्यमस्याद्विहसितम्
मध्यमस्याद्विहसितम् मध्यमस्याद्विहसितम्
रोमाञ्चो रोमहर्षणम्
रोमाञ्चो रोमहर्षणम् रोमाञ्चो रोमहर्षणम्
क्रन्दितं रुदितं कृष्टम्
क्रन्दितं रुदितं कृष्टम् क्रन्दितं रुदितं कृष्टम्
जृम्भस्तु त्रिषु जृम्भणम्
जृम्भस्तु त्रिषु जृम्भणम् जृम्भस्तु त्रिषु जृम्भणम्
विप्रलम्भो विसंवादो
विप्रलम्भो विसंवादो विप्रलम्भो विसंवादो
रिङ्गणं स्खलनं समे
रिङ्गणं स्खलनं समे रिङ्गणं स्खलनं समे
स्यान्निद्राशयनं स्वापः
स्यान्निद्राशयनं स्वापः स्यान्निद्राशयनं स्वापः
स्वप्नः संवेश इत्यपि
स्वप्नः संवेश इत्यपि स्वप्नः संवेश इत्यपि
तन्द्री प्रमीळा भ्रकुटिः
तन्द्री प्रमीला भ्रकुटिः तन्द्री प्रमीला भ्रकुटिः
भ्रुकुटिर्भ्रुकुटिस्त्रियाम्
भ्रुकुटिर्भ्रुकुटिस्त्रियाम्
अदृष्टिः स्यादसौम्येक्ष्णि
अदृष्टिः स्यादसौम्येक्ष्णि अदृष्टिः स्यादसौम्येक्ष्णि
संसिद्धिप्रकृतित्विमे
संसिद्धिप्रकृतित्विमे संसिद्धिप्रकृतित्विमे
स्वरूपं च स्वभावश्च
स्वरूपं च स्वभावश्च स्वरूपं च स्वभावश्च
निसर्गश्चाथवे पथुः
निसर्गश्चाथवे पथुः निसर्गश्चाथवे पथुः
कम्पोऽथ क्षण उद्धर्षः
कम्पोऽथ क्षण उद्धर्षः कम्पोऽथ क्षण उद्धर्षः
मह उद्धव उत्सवः
मह उद्धव उत्सवः मह उद्धव उत्सवः
ओके धन्यवादः So just a small announcement today. All of you must be knowing that in Sanskrit from home, that is through Vyoma, we are having lot of courses. Today we are launching a very special course which is not heard of till today in Shastra Jagat by Professor Srinivasa Varkedi. He is the Vice Chancellor of Kavikulaguru Kalidas University. So we are launching this course, and this course name is Vaisheshika Darshana. So as all of you know, there are Shad Darshanas: Sankhya, Yoga, Vaisheshika, Puramimamsa, Uttaramimamsa, and other. There are 6 darshanas are there. So Vaisheshika is one darshana which is promoted by Kanada Muni. Padiniyam Kanadam Sarvashastropakarakam. Everybody must have heard this. So Professor Srinivasa Varkedi is my guru for PhD. So I did my research and PhD under him. So he is a very accomplished scholar, disciple of Pujya Parama Pujya Vishveshatirtha Mahaswamiji of Pejavarmat. So he's a Nyaya Shastra, Dvaita Vedanta, Vyakarana scholar. He has obtained the title Maharshi Badarayan Vyas Saman. There are a lot of titles. He's in lot of committees, boards. He is one of the thinkers, strategic leaders for Sanskritam globally, and in India he is in one of the think tanks of Sanskrit. So he is starting this class. Last week he has done a small introduction, and today he'll be starting the actual class. 6 o'clock is that class. It will be only on Wednesdays. It is not daily class, but it will be in Sanskritam. So anybody who can understand Sanskritam and with a background of other, suppose you have studied some Shastra or you understand philosophy, then you can attend that. But it will be there, but it will not be told in English. So he is a scholar who will the Shastras he has learnt in Sanskritam and Shastrik Sanskritam. He will present it in Sanskritam only. But whenever you are free, you can do this course. Or if you understand Sanskritam, please attend this course. This talks about matter. It talks about physics. It talks about Padartha Vijnana. how from Padartha we can attain moksha, all these things, the ancient. So Kanada Maharshi, just to tell tell people that the first atom, the concept of Anu, was discovered by Kanada Maharshi. So today we are talking atom is the smallest particle, and we are talking about proton, neutron, and electron. But this atom was discovered by whom? So you will say some Niels Bohr or some chemist, you will say, which is a modern scientist. But actually our rishis, Kanada Maharshi was the first to give the Anu Parimana. So he has spoken about atom, and he has spoken about all these things in his Vaisheshika Shastra. So it is a very, very interesting Shastra, the science of logic, the science of thinking. You can say it is a science of thinking. It is a Shastra which helps, which is the science of thinking, which helps you how to think logically. Even for Vedanta, you require Nyaya and Vaisheshika, all these Shaddarshana. You require these things only to understand the Vedanta. Vedanta is Jiva, Jagat, Ishvara, Aikya. Aikya, or the Sambandha between Jiva, Jagat and Ishvara is dealt with in Vedanta. For that Vedanta, you require Vyakarana, you require Shabda Jnana, you require Vaisheshika, you require Yoga Shastra, all these things. So building on, so usually what happens is this Vaisheshika Darshana is studied in the form of Nyaya Shastra. So all of us, what we do is we study Nyaya Shastra. We study the another form of the Vaisheshika Darshana in the form of Nyaya Shastra, wherein we study Tarka Sangraha and all these things, and we study the derived concepts from there, and we start the science of logic. But Vaisheshika Darshana deals with original sutras and the original Tika, Bhashya, etc. So that is what Professor Srinivas Varkedi will be dealing with. So I would request all of you, if you have the chance, if you can understand Sanskritam, please attend. This kind of a course will not be held anywhere, because in universities and in the curriculum it is not there. And these kind of courses, many people, if it is not there in curriculum, many people won't take it. And the original heart of the rishis, what our rishis were thinking, we will never know. So if you want to understand the heart of the rishis, what they were telling, I think we should attend. If you can understand Sanskritam, please attend this. Don't ask or request, send a mail saying that why don't you teach in English. That request will not be entertained by the teacher, and this class is not for that. Maybe Subhashita or some other things can be taught in English, but not this class. So I would request all of you, if you can promote this course, because this not many will attend this course. You can promote this course, you can talk about this course, and send the link to your friends who are interested. That was the first announcement. The second announcement is there is a test on the Subhashita course starting immediately after 10 minutes. So whoever has applied for the test, I think you should leave the class now. So we will be ending the class for today. We'll be ending the class now here. Those who want to attend the test, you can take that. If you want extra time because you want to attend Vaisheshika Darshana course, there will be some extra time. The test will be available after some time also. So don't worry about that. Regarding how many people have applied for the Amarakosha assessment, about 59 people have applied. So I will be reading out the names maybe on Friday, because by that time everybody would have submitted the registration. So people who are not submitted the registration for Amarakosha assessment, Swarga Varga, please apply for the registration through the course page. Suppose you have not got the mail, you just need to go to the course page, and you need to click on the right hand side. There is a click here, registration for assessment. Please click on that and you can register for the assessment. Thank you very much for all your support and for your support to Vyoma Labs, and your encouragement. Because of your support and encouragement only we are doing. I thank all the parents for making the students attend these courses. Thank you very much. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।